දැන් හරිනේ. නෑ. දැන් හරි. Right. First write down connective tissue. Connective tissue. Connective tissues. Write down. Connective tissues are the most abundant. Connective tissues are the most abundant. මම මෙතන කියවන්නේ. Connective tissues are the most abundant tissue in the body that help to connect. Organs and tissues together structurally and functionally. Next subheading, basic characteristics of connective tissues. ඔය ඔක්කොම පොදු ලක්ෂණ ටික තමයි මම දෙන්න යන්නේ. දැන් මේකේ දීලා තියෙන ලක්ෂණ මදි ඇත්තට. මොනවද තේරුම් ගන්න අමාරු මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි? නම් කියන්න basic characteristics of connective tissues. Next subheading, basic characteristics of connective tissues. Basic characteristics of connective tissues. Right, first one. Connect organs and tissues together. First one, connect organs and tissues together. Structurally and functionally. Connect organs and tissues together structurally and functionally. Now, structurally and functionally make එකට bind කරනවා. Right, second one. Second one, consists of different types of cells. Consists of different types of cells. Consists of different types of cells. Next point. Cells are scattered in. Next point. Cells are scattered in. Cells are scattered in a large amount of. Cells are scattered in a large amount of extracellular matrix. Cells are scattered in a large amount of extracellular matrix. Extracellular matrix. Next point. Contains different types of fibers. Contains different types of fibers. Contains different types of fibers. Next point. Matrix is abundant. Matrix is abundant than the cells. Cell වලට වැඩිය matrix එක තියෙනවා. Matrix is abundant than the cells. Matrix is abundant than the cells. Matrix is abundant than the cells. Next one. Matrix is secreted by. Matrix is secreted by. Matrix is secreted by the cells. By the cells. Matrix is secreted by the cells. blood වල පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස්. නමුත් ගොඩක් ඒ වගේ matrix එක හදන්නේ cells වලින්. Matrix is secreted by the cells. These are actually common characteristics or basic characteristics of all all connective tissues. Right? Next, put a star mark and write down. Make a common make a matrices matrix may be semi-solid, strong jelly-like. Matrix may be semi-solid, strong jelly-like, liquid or solid, strong, dense or dense and rigid, liquid or solid, within brackets dense and rigid. Matrix may be semi-solid, strong jelly-like, liquid or solid, within brackets dense and rigid. Okay, and these are the nature of matrices. Matrices are the nature, right? Okay. Now, actually, the types of cells may be differ from the types of the connective tissues. अरे तो वाला මේක බලාගෙන යද්දී අපි මේ කරන යද්දී ඔයාලට තේරෙන්නේ මේ connective tissues වල cells වෙනස් වෙනවා එකිනෙකට. හරි? මෙතන commonly දීලා තියෙනවා. අපි නමුත් ඒක ලියන්න යන්න මේවා අපිට ඉස්සරහදී හම්බෙන්නේ හින්දා. Put a star mark and write down. Next one. There are three different types of fibers. There are three different types of fibers. They are collagen fibers. They are collagen fibers. They are first one collagen fibers. Under this one, write down. Provide strength and flexibility. Collagen fibers provide strength and flexibility. First one, collagen fibers provide strength and flexibility. Second one, reticular fibers. Reticular, R-E-T-I-C-U-L-A-R. Reticular fibers. Reticular fibers. මේ part එක කියවන්නේ purple color තියෙන්නේ. Reticular fibers. Under this one, write down. Join connective tissues to adjacent tissues. Join connective tissues to adjacent tissues. Join connective tissues to adjacent tissues. Elastic fibers. Elastic fibers. Third one, elastic fibers make tissue elastic. Make tissue elastic. Make tissue elastic. Make tissue elastic. Elastic fiber make tissue elastic. Right. Next are many functions of connective tissues. Next, commonly write down functions of connective tissues. Functions of connective tissues. First one, binding and structural support. මෙතන තියෙනවා ඒක. Binding and structural support. Binding and structural support. Second one, protection. Protection. Third one, transport of materials. Third one, transport of materials. Fourth one, insulation. Binding and structural support. Second one, protections. Third one, transport of materials. Third one, insulation. Insulation. अरे तो ना there are different types of connective tissues. तो अभी जब मैं common characteristics अभी कहा करा එතකොට මේ හැම සෙල් එකකම ඔය common characteristics බොහෝ දුරට තියෙනවා. මම දන්නේ එකකින් පටන් ගත්තේ කවුද? blood වලින්. නේද? blood වල තියෙන cells. right cells මොනවාද? red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. matrix එක විදිහට තියෙන blood plasma. cells secrete ඒක විතරක් වෙනස් වෙනවා. cells secrete කරන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ matrix එක secrete කරන්නේ cells වල. blood වල. ඒක විතරයි වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. ඒ fibers උත් තියෙනවා. fibrinogen හැදෙනවනේ. අර fibers එක temporarily හැදෙනවා. but areolar tissue is the typical tissue, connective tissues that we are going to study. So මේක loose connective tissue එකක්. ඔයාලට පේනවා මෙතන තියෙනවා loose connective tissue කියලා නේ. පොතේ තියෙන loose connective tissue. ඒතකොට loose connective tissue කියන්නේ proper connective tissue එකක්. proper connective tissues කියන්නේ අර තියෙන ලක්ෂණ ටික ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. එයාගේ තියෙන cells තියෙනවා. ඊට matrix එකක් තියෙනවා. and matrix is secreted by cells. Fibers, then there are three types of fibers: reticular fibers, yellow fibers, and white fibers. All are in the areolar tissue, right? There are a lot of cells, fibroblasts, then mast cells. Likewise, there are number of tissues in the number of cells in the tissue. So cells of one order. Again, make a gannapi. How do you name it? Proper, typical connective tissue area. That is actually loose connective tissues because the tissue has been loosely arranged. They have loosely arranged what I called fibers. Fibers loosely arranged. Loosely arranged connective tissues. Dense connective tissues can make white fibers. White fibers then there are white fibers are in the matrix. Therefore, that is dense, very dense tissue. Taking another dense connective tissue. The yellow fibers, Vadipura came, they are dense. And I tell you, last minute they put a value more than that. Taking the yellow fibrous tissue. It's a dense connective tissues. What I mean, the fibrous connective tissue, dense connective tissues. Right now, collagen fibers, white fibers. Make a white fibrous tissue example. Okay, the tissue is densely packed with collagen fibers. Collagen is white fibers. Very white fibers. Make it even a yellow fibrous tissue. It was a adipose tissue. Adipose tissue take a loose connective tissue. Adipose tissue is very poor. What we call the adipocytes. Adipocytes the cells which has more lipids. Cell lipids lipid globules. Adipose. Then adipose fatty layer adipose tissue. Then take a loosely connect fibers loosely connected. Adipose tissue can make it. It was potassium make a classification. Blood tissue. Blood tissue. Blood tissue. Blood tissue can be vascular tissue. Because their matrix is a liquid. Matrix is a liquid making it vascular. Liquid connective tissues. Fluid connective tissue. Liquid. Fluid connective tissues. In a matrix, fluid connect. Fluid fluid. Blood and lymph. Lymph blood. Other one is skeletal connective tissues. That is skeletal connective tissues, that the tissue that has more dense, more solid matrix. Matrix is a highly solid. Astiola Watruaga in the hand, make an board sol, Watruaga in the hand. They were matrix at a Haridana. And they were my skeletal connective tissues. I thought a etica while I put a name classification got dealer. Now classification is a mean. And while than unknown in the main classification is a year. About leave a part of the run hand, make a mother the young and make එකයි දෙකයි මෙතන 3යි 4යි 5යි 6යි. ඔන්න ඔය ටික අපි වෙන වෙනම කතා කරමු. මේක ලියන්න. මේක ලියා ගන්න. ඔයාලා ලියන්නේ classification of හැබැයි මේක classification of connective tissues. හැබැයි මේක ලියුවයි කියලා මේක වෙන වෙනම විස්තර කරන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. හරි? මේක classification එක ලියලා තියාගන්න අපි කතා කරන්නේ මේවා ගැන. මේ දෙක මෙතන මෙයා fibrous නැත්නම් collagen කියනවා බාස්ටාර් ලිම්ෆ් එක කතා කරන කාර්යයන් පොත්. ලිම්ෆ් එක මම පස්සේ කතා කරනවා මේ sorry circulatory system එක. හරි. මේක ලියන්න. හැල්ලන්ට මම එපාරක් ලියන්න. Are connective tissues? Here, proper connective. Proper connective tissue එකකින් කියන්නේ හැම එකම එකේ තියෙනවා. කියන්නේ matrices තියෙනවා, fibers තුන් වර්ගයේම තියෙනවා. Likewise. හරි. ඒ වගේ වර්ග දෙකක් තියෙනවා. එකක් තියෙනවා loose connective tissue. Loose second. Any post. Other one is dense connective dense. White fibers. Yellow. මේ දෙකකින් ස්පෙෂල් කනෙක්ටිව් ටිෂුස් හරි ස්පෙෂල් ඒක තව ඕන බෙදන්න පුළුවන් ඕනේ ස්කෙල්ටල් කනෙක්ටිව් ටිෂුස් තේරෙනවද? මේක තේරුණා නේද? 10 11 තියනා නේද ඔවා? නැද්ද? තේරුණානේ. මේක මතක තියාගන්න ඉන්න. මේක මම දුන්නේ අර කොහොමද මේක ක්ලාසිෆයිඩ් වෙන්නේ කියන එක බලන්න. ඔයාලා මේක ලියුවේ නැත්නම් මේක ඕන තවත් ටෙස්ට් එකේ special type of connectivity. Proper connective tissues, that is, this is known as true connective tissues. These two are special connective tissues because their matrices are very special. Then normally proper connective tissues have the semi-solid matrix. මේවා තියෙන semi-solid matrix. මේකේ තියෙන liquid එක. මේකේ තියෙන dense එක. ඒකයි ඔයාලට මේ වර්ගීකරණයේදී මෙන්න මෙතන පෙන්නන්නේ මෙහෙම කියන්නේ ඒකයි. solid, dense and rigid. then jelly like, liquid. එතකොට මෙතන තියෙන එක liquid එක. මෙයා ඉන්න dense. මෙයා ඉන්න semi solid. හරි ඒ අනුව matrices are different. matrices අනුව තමයි මේවා බෙදලා තියෙන්නේ. proper connective ඒ වගේ ගොඩක් ඒවා මෙතන use කරනවා. ඒවා ඇත්තට අපි කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ. but then leak basically. Vascular connectivity. ඉවරලා මට මේ දාන්න මෙසේජ් එකක් තියන්න. ඒතකොට cartilage there are different types of cartilage. මේකේ cartilage අපි එකට කතා කරන්නේ. හරි. මෙන්න මෙහෙම cartilage තියෙනවා වර්ග කීපයක්. cartilage. එකක් තියෙනවා hyaline. hyaline cartilage. ඒවා ඕනේ නැහැ නමුත් cartilage තියා ගන්න. elastic. Compact. Compact bone and spongy bone. ඔයාලා දැකලා ඇති compact bone වල මම පෙන්නන්නේ. මේවා අපි කතා කරන bone and cartilage විතරයි කතා කරන්නේ. ඒකේ තියෙනවා categories. Hyaline, elastic, cartilages. Elastic cartilage and elastic hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage. There are several classifications. නමුත් අපි ඒ classification එකට යන්නේ අපි මේ ටික විතරයි කතා කරන්නේ. මේ ෆොටෝ එක මම දාන්නම්.